Sweet.
It's time for Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Awesome. So this week you're going to have to picture me out in my backyard taking down a bunch of tree limbs. This is the Milwaukee chainsaw. I know this probably isn't really too much of an electrician tool, but I would be using this trimming down a jungle in my backyard. I haven't really used this yet. My neighbor had one that was a cordless version of like a different model. It was some kind of a yard version. But it made me think about this, and I was like, well, I wonder if Milwaukee has one. So I will try to get my hands on one of these, and I will try to, get a little bit better of a review on how it performs and everything like that. But I'll tell you, just from seeing it over at the Home Depot, like I actually did go get my hands on it and look at it, see what battery power it has. It uses the M18 fuel, which is a pretty good power line, and it looked like it was pretty solid. So I really think that this would be a really good tool to use. And like I say, I have a bunch of branches I could take down and get my yard cleaned up a little bit. So pretty awesome, and I